Using the wrong settings on farmland could mean missing valuable finds. Welcome to Metal Detector Settings UK. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set up your Nokta Legend for UK farmland, step by step. Let's start from the main screen. Press and hold the power button, located on the bottom right of the control panel, to turn the detector on. Now select your search mode. Use the left and right arrow buttons in the center of the control panel to scroll through the modes. Field mode is the second option, between garden and beach, and this is the best choice for most UK farmland. Stop when you see field on the screen. Now set the frequency. Press the frequency button on the lower left side of the control panel repeatedly. Each press cycles through the frequency options. Stop when you see M1 displayed on the screen. M1 is the best starting point for most UK farmland. If your land is very noisy or iron heavy, you can try M2. M3 is more aggressive, but not recommended for beginners. Now set your sensitivity. Use the plus and minus buttons in the center to adjust sensitivity to around 25. If the detector becomes unstable, reduce it slightly. Next, ground balance the detector. Press and hold the ground balance button, located on the lower right side. While holding it, pump the coil up and down over clean ground, about 5 to 10 centimeters above the surface. Watch the number on the screen, and once it stabilizes, release the button. Now we'll enter the settings menu. Press the settings button, located next to the power button on the bottom right. This opens the settings menu. The first setting you will see is frequency shift. We're going to leave this on its default setting, as it is only used to reduce interference from other detectors and usually doesn't need to be changed. Now press the right arrow button once to move to the second icon, recovery speed. Use the plus or minus buttons to set recovery speed to 5 or 6. Now press the accept or reject button to enter the submenu. The first option you will see is iron filter. Use the plus or minus buttons to set iron filter to 2 or 3. This helps you hear good targets that are close to iron. You can scroll further through this submenu using the right arrow button, but for now leave the remaining options on their default settings. Press the settings button again to exit back to the main screen. Now set your discrimination pattern. Press the discrimination button on the left side of the control panel. Each press cycles through the available patterns. Select the G pattern, which stands for ground off. This pattern reduces ground noise while still allowing you to hear valuable targets. Finally, adjust your volume so it's clear and comfortable. If you're using the standard LG30 coil, this setup is ideal for general farmland. If you're detecting in tighter, iron-heavy areas, you can try the F pattern or switch to a smaller coil like the LG15 for better separation. To summarize, field mode. Multi-frequency M1. Sensitivity around 25. Recovery speed 5 to 6. Iron filter 2 to 3. Discrimination pattern G. That's a solid setup for most UK farmland conditions. Before you go, save this video and take a screenshot of these settings so you've got them ready when you're out in the field. Thanks for watching Metal Detector Settings UK. Like and subscribe for more simple setup guides.